Welcome back. In news overseas, Venezuela's ousted President Nicolás Maduro and his wife, Cilia Flores, are set to stand trial in the United States on June 1, 2027. A federal judge set the date on Wednesday, months after the pair were captured during a U.S. military raid. Maduro and Flores have been held in a Brooklyn detention facility for more than 7 months after pleading not guilty to federal drug trafficking and firearms charges. Outside the Manhattan courthouse, supporters rallied with Venezuelan flags and signs calling for Maduro's release, while counter-protesters labeled the couple, quote, dictators. The judge also scheduled a hearing for November 17 to consider defense motions, including a challenge to the legality of the operation that led to their capture.
You can take it.
That's me?
Yeah.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break. Jermaine Brown is standing by.